In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the June British pound future, which through today has rallied for 4 straight sessions and is finishing the week higher by 1.47%, completing 8 weeks higher in the last 12. In terms of when you measure from the 2025 low to today's close, the British pound has now rallied just over 8%. That's a big move in currencies. The high today was 131.46, which was up 1.26%, and the low was 129.66, which was only down 0.12%. And as we move toward the close, the British pound is still up over 2/3 of 1%. This morning, we got quite a bit of economic data out of the UK, and the vast majority of it was better than expectations. Year-over-year GDP came out at plus 1.4%, was only expected to be up 0.9%. Month-over-month, it came out at plus 0.5% versus expectations of plus 0.1%. Industrial production year-over-year came out at plus 0.1%. Expectations were for minus 2.3%. And manufacturing production also year-over-year was up 0.3%. It was expected to be down 2.4%. There was more than just these that I mentioned, and literally everything released except trade balance and year-over-year construction output came out stronger than expected, with most of the data from the last period's releases getting revised higher. That's good for the pound. Geopolitical tensions and back and forth on tariffs have also significantly weakened the dollar. The dollar has printed lower prices for 3 consecutive weeks now, as well as 3 sessions in the last 4 when looked at in the aggregate. Today, the dollar hit its lowest level against a basket of currencies going all the way back to April of 2022. Now, this kind of pressure on the dollar has been a tailwind for all the major currencies, and the British pound is also benefiting from that dollar weakness.